How to double exposure in Picsart. Want to try that artistic double exposure effect? Here's how to do it in Picsart. Start with your main portrait or silhouette photo. Click Add Photo and choose a second image. Usually or landscape, texture or pattern works great. Place it over your base image and lower the opacity to see both layers. For a more striking result, use the blend modes like lighten or screen and erase parts if needed to refine the effect. When it looks perfect, click apply and save your unique double exposure. Have you tried this with a cityscape yet? Share it in the comments below. High contrast black and white portraits paired with colorful textures often produce stunning results. And that's how you can double exposure in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.